cucumbers belong to the gourd family, and as such, they're sensitive plants that require near-ideal growth conditions in order to thrive. In today's video, you'll learn why cucumber plants die, the causes, and how to fix or avoid them. Here are some of the most common causes why cucumber plants die. Bacterial wilt. Bacterial wilt causes cucumber leaves to wilt throughout the day but look normal at night in the early stages. Interesting, isn't it? Because this symptom makes it appear as though the cucumber plant hasn't had sufficient water or is stressed by daytime heat, it can be surprising when the plant suddenly deteriorates and dies. The cucumber leaves will also begin to turn yellow at the edges and die over time, but not all at once. As the disease spreads lower down the vine, the leaves will progressively die in a row. Pests. Pests can kill cucumber plants by attacking them from above or below ground level. That's why it's essential to identify what type of pests you have and how they attack their prey so you can know the best way to stop them. Some common pests that can cause cucumbers to die are cucumber thrips, cucumber beetles, moths, and squash vine borers. Mildew disease. If cucumbers have black spots on their leaves, they are most likely suffering from a mildew disease. This will eventually cause cucumbers to wilt away and turn yellow before dying off altogether. Here are the most common cucumber diseases. Mosaic virus, angular leaf spot, bacterial wilt, downy mildew, powdery mildew, blight organism or Xanthomonas campestris PV, whiteflies, and spider mites. Enjoying the video? Then give a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Overwatering. Did you know that overwatering or poor soil drainage can also cause plants like cucumbers to wilt and die? The reason is that water saturates the soil, making it difficult for the roots to get oxygen. The plant won't survive if it doesn't have access to oxygen and other gases found in the soil. So avoid overwatering or planting cucumbers in heavy, slow-draining soils. Cold temperatures. Cucumbers are heat-loving plants. Did you know that? When the air or soil temperatures get too cool for their liking, cucumbers will wilt and die. Cucumbers begin to wilt and become brown when the soil temperature is 62 degrees Fahrenheit or below. The same thing happens when the air temperature is below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, it's crucial to avoid planting cucumbers too early in the season. You'll know when it's time to plant cucumbers when low temperatures are consistently above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. As fall approaches, also keep an eye on your cucumbers and pluck any wilting cucumber plants as the temperature dips below 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Lack of nutrients. If cucumbers aren't given the right amount or type of nutrients, they may start turning yellow and dying off. However, in cucumber plant beds, it's also equally important to avoid overfertilization. Otherwise, they could also die because of excess nitrogen levels that can cause yellowing leaves. For their vines to grow rapidly, they include nutrients such as magnesium, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, and nitrogen. All these nutrients are found in manure fertilizer. Now you know the common causes why cucumber plants die. Cucumbers are a summer favorite in the home garden, but due to poor growing conditions or the presence of pests or diseases, they might fail to thrive, wilt, and even die in a short period of time. If you notice specific symptoms, you may need to spray fungicides proactively or engage in other management techniques to revive your cucumber plants. If you like the video, then give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, get your free ebook in the description box below, which includes my favorite recipes and natural health tips.